Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the wild, wacky world of Memecoins. You know those cryptocurrencies that start as a joke but can turn into a goldmine overnight? Yep, those ones. So if you've ever dreamed of turning a little into a lot with just a few clicks, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a meme coin? Well, unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are like the gold and silver of crypto, Memecoins are like the lottery tickets of the digital currency world. They're often inspired by internet jokes or memes, think Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, and yes, some people have become millionaires from these. Now, how do you spot a potential winner? It's all about the hype. Check social media, see what coins are getting buzz. Platforms like Twitter and Reddit can be gold mines for this kind of intel. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. Memecoins can be super volatile, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, you've picked your coin? Great. Next up, buying in. You'll want to use a reputable exchange. There are plenty like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Create an account, deposit some funds, and you're ready to buy. But here's a pro tip. Keep an eye on transaction fees as they can eat into your profits. Now the exciting part, trading. The key to success here is timing. Memecoins can skyrocket in value in a very short time and just as quickly crash. Timing the market is tricky, but if you stay informed and ready to act, you can make your moves at the right moments. Finally, knowing when to pull out is as important as knowing when to dive in. Set goals for your investment and stick to them. If a coin hits your target price, consider taking profits and maybe leave a little in, just in case it goes to the moon. There you have it, folks. A quick guide to potentially making big bucks with Memecoins. Remember, this market is as fun as it is risky, so always do your research and invest wisely. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next Memecoin millionaire. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.